Hello, welcome to the homework walkthrough video for 7.02a, independent practice. Question 1. 10 families in a neighborhood were surveyed on how many pets they each have. The data set is given 4, 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, 3. Okay, so there's the data set showing how many pets each family has. So they have 4 pets, they have 0 pets, they have 0 pets. Find and interpret the mean and median number of pets for the family. Round to the nearest tenth. Ooh, that's important. Round to the nearest tenth. So let's take a snip. This. Okay. So to find the mean, to find the average, I have to add all the numbers up and divide that by how many numbers there are. Divide the sum by the total amount of numbers. So 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 0. Now, I didn't have to push the plus zeros, but for my brain to keep track of where I was on the list, my brain needed to. So I have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 families divided by 12. Okay. 1.66666. So rounded to the nearest tenth. I look at the hundredth place. The hundredth place tells the 10th place to go up or stay the same. The hundredth place is telling the 10th place to go up because 6 is closer to 10. So 1.7. I hope. And then the median. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. To find the median, we have to order the numbers from smallest to biggest. So I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then I have some cross those off so I don't lose track of what I did. 1, 2 number ones. 1, 2. 1 number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 number threes. And 1 number 4. The median is the middle number. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers, my middle number would be 2 on each side, 3 on each side. Here I'm going one at a time, one number at a time until I meet in the middle, 5 on each side. Oh, and now I have found the middle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right side. But darn it, I haven't found, it doesn't land on a number. When the median doesn't land on a number, I find the middle of the two middle numbers. So what is the middle of 1 and 2? Yeah, 1.5. That's halfway between 1 and 2. Now, if you don't know what the middle of two numbers are, you can always add them up and divide by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. That divided by 2 is 1.5. Now the values of the mean and median tell us that the data set is fairly normal, I guess, because the mean and median are pretty similar. They're about the middle. I mean, it all looks normal. So I say normal. Okay. Even though there's a typo, it says 10 families and there's 12 numbers. We're going to get that fixed. Question 2. Take a snip of this. A group of 13 friends tracked the number of hours they watch TV in a week. The data set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. want to make sure there wasn't a typo. Find the mean and the median, round to the nearest tenth, is what it says. The mean is the average, so I got to add all the numbers up and then divide that by how many numbers there are. 13. So let's add them up. 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 equals, then divide that by how many numbers there are, which there are 13 numbers. Okay, and then this is where I round to the nearest tenth. When I round to the nearest tenth place, that first decimal, I look at the hundredth place, the second decimal. The hundredth place will tell the tenth place whether to go up or to go down. Since it's a 9, it's closer to 10, so it tells the tenth place to go up, making it 7.7. 7.7. Now let's find the median. To find the median, you have to order the numbers from smallest to biggest. So it looks like I got my smallest number is 6, and I have 3 6s. 1, 2, 3. Let's cross these off so I don't count them twice. Then looks like my next smallest is 7. I got 2 7s, 7, 7. Then my next is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4 8s. Crazy 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, just to make sure, I'm going to count my numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, didn't mess it up. Now, 13 numbers. I got to find the middlest number. What's the middle of 13? Darn, I can't think it. So let's use the dot strategy, where I draw one dot on each side of my list of numbers until I reach the middle. 2 dots on each side, 3 dots on each side, 1 dot for each number, 4 dots on each side now, 5 dots on each side now, 6 dots on each side now, set. Middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side. This is the middle number. Middle number, middle number, middle number. My median is 8. So 7.7. This is 8. And since the mean and median are really close together, I think that means that shows a fairly normal distribution. The mean and median being really close together. Let's check, make sure. Whoa! Nice. Over 2 weeks, the person tracked their daily step count. Here's the data given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So not 2, over. Yeah, so not 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15 numbers. So don't go off of the word, even though you'd think that'd be 14 because it's 2 weeks. But here it's 15, at least for me. It's 15. Okay, so to find the mean, we have to add all the numbers up and divide that by how many numbers there are. So let's add this up. 4,200 plus 4,300 plus 4,400 plus 3,900 plus 4,100 plus 3,300 plus 3,400 plus 3,600 plus 3,300 plus 4,200 plus 4,300 plus 4,000 plus 3,700 plus 3,900 plus 12,000 equals 66,600. I divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because there's 15 numbers. Divide the sum by how many numbers there are. Round to the nearest tenth. Convenient. 400. 4440. That is my mean. 4, 4, 4, 0. Let me just type that in. 4440. Okay, now for the median, I have to order the numbers from smallest to biggest. So let's get this process done. I'm not going to put those commas. So 3,300. I have another 3,300. 33, 33. Do I have any more 33s? Nope. What's my next smallest? Oop, I see 3,400. Lost that off. I think my next smallest is 3,600. Then 37. I have two 39s. 4,000. 41. Two 43,000. 43. I'm running out of space. Hack. There we go. Two 43s. 44 into 12,000. 44. Okay. So I have 15 numbers. I remember that from before. What is the middle of 15? What number would be in the middle? The seventh number, the ninth number, the 10th number? Shoot, I don't know. So let's use the dot strategy where I do one dot on each side of my line until I reach the middle. One dot for each number. So now here's two dots on each side, three dots on each side, four dots on each side, five dots on each side, six dots on each side, seven dots on each side, middle. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Our middle number is 4,000. Oh, 4,000. Okay, these numbers do look pretty different. These are supposed to be our measures of center, like what the middle number is. And it looks like the mean is bigger than almost all the numbers except for 12,000. So I think that tells us our data is skewed because there's an outlier. 12,000 doesn't belong, or it does belong, but it's way different than the other numbers. And we can see because that 12,000 is making our average so big, bigger than all other numbers. So I think that means it's skewed. Yay, question 4. Teacher collects data on 17 students. Now, let's check and see if there's actually 17 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17. Okay, there is actually 17 numbers. Good. Goob. Okay, let's find the mean of these where we add all the numbers up and divide by how many numbers there are. 86 plus, 84 plus, 93 plus, 98 plus, 94 plus, 96 plus, 96 plus, 88 plus, 87 plus, 83 plus, 93 plus, 83 plus, 46 plus, 46 plus, 47 plus, 46 plus, 53 equals, and there's 17 numbers, so I divide this by 17. Okay, and I'm rounding to the nearest tenth. So when I round to the 10th place, I look at the 100th place. The 100th place tells the 10th place to go up or stay the same. Since the number is 8, it tells the 10th place to go up, making 77.6. 77.6. Now, let's find the median, the middle number. Oof! Since there's 17 numbers, this looks like a lot to have to redo this whole list. So you could do that, but let's explore another strategy, another way to do this. If I have, see, 17 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 numbers. What number's in the middle? Well, let's see. Let's find maybe what number would be in the middle. So I'm going to use my dot strategy and cross off one number at a time. One number on each side, two numbers on each side, three on each side, four on each side. Now, quick pause. What I'm doing here, instead of writing the numbers out, because that can be annoying sometimes, you can make a mistake, I'm going to see, is it the 10th number, the 8th number, the 9th number? What number from smallest to biggest is the median? And then I'll look at this list of numbers and count from the smallest to the biggest until I get to the 6th or the 8th or the 10th, whatever the middle number is. So let's keep using this dot strategy. So now I got 5 numbers on each side, 6 numbers on each side, 7 on each side, 8 on each side. Okay, I think I found my middle number. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8 on each side. So it looks like my median is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth number. My ninth number is my median. So let's try and find my ninth number. So there's my first smallest, my second, and my third, and my fourth smallest numbers. Then my fifth smallest. Then fifth, sixth smallest. Yep, 6, 7, 8, and after 84 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 86 is my median. So since these are really different, the mean and the median, since those are really different, I think that tells me my data is slightly skewed. The mean is supposed to be the measure of center. It's supposed to be in the middle. But right now, the mean is lower than almost all these numbers. It's not even close to being in the middle of these numbers. So that tells me my data is slightly skewed. Whew. All right, if you need more help with this homework, you let me know. I would love to help however I can. Good luck and goodbye.